So, our glamorous sailing life started in the most unglamorous way of cleaning, organizing. The boat was so hot, we slept in the main salon because it was the only place that seemed to have air conditioning. Step one, cleaning. Got a fair bit of work ahead of us. It's a lot of cleaning.
Clean, 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 clean.
There's also a lot of digging into a whole bunch of compartments and trying to figure out what the heck all this stuff is. And a lot of it we just didn't know and just keeping anyways. We'll figure it out as we go. While going through the boat and checking out all the nooks and crannies, we'd come across things like this sea strainer that had been not cleaned in such a long time. It actually had barnacles and a clam growing inside, but not anymore. So one of the issues we have had is that there's no meter to check the levels on this boat, like the fresh water, the wastewater, all that. There's no way to check them that we've found. We're going to try to get a hold of the previous owner and see if there's some secret that we can't find. But until then, we've just kind of been using the stuff and hoping. However, today, don't know if you can hear that, but the water pump has been going off for extended periods of time. Don't know why. The internet says maybe one of the reasons might be low water, could be an airlock, could be problems with the diaphragm, could be what have you. So we're trying all sorts of things. This is what we're kind of dealing with water-wise. There's definitely air in the system somehow, and whether there's a leak letting air in or because the tanks are empty, maybe air is getting in that way, we're not sure. So the easiest fix is filling the tanks, the water tanks. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm really hoping that motor doesn't burn out. I'm gonna shut off the power until we can get them all fixed, just in case. See if that does anything. Fingers crossed. How's the filling going?
Mini bubbles. That last one took a long time to fill.
Yeah, they're big tanks.
Bone dry. This one, they're all bone dry.
Yeah. I turned the water pressure off because it was just running. I didn't want to blow out the motor. But, yeah.
Baby steps.
Baby
Fingers
steps.
crossed.
Yeah, the boat carries, what, 200 liters of water?
400, I think it is.
400?
I think it's 400.
Well, I thought it was a 200, a 100, and a 100. I know we have 3 tanks.
We check specs again.
Recheck.
And again.
We're going to have that manual memorized by the time we're done.
We better.
We better.
We need to.
Look at this poor boat. Looks like he hit the pillar.
That looks like it might have spent some time being visited by like Irma
Yeah.
or something.
That poor boat. It's such a beautiful boat. It has so much potential, but it's needing a hardcore case of loving.
So you're not there yet. You have to turn on this thing over here.
Oh,
Hang on.
only we had lights in this place.
Turn on that.
Trying. There we go.
Okay. Coming over here. Gauge instruments. No, not instruments. Tank indicator. Maybe.
Well, I suppose we have half a tank of gas now.
Oh, I did before.
Yes. Sadly, no. We had a pretty frustrating day today. We went to a small business marine store. Well, there we are. That's sort of caught up what today has been. Last few days, cleaning, moving, the usual. All right, time to enjoy the sunset. A little bit of lightning in the background. It's actually nice and cool. It's about 24 degrees here right now. It's a nice change. Have a good night.
They become legend.
And there's always the domestic end of things. Then we found the most awesome place ever.
This is like the best playground for you guys ever. Little baby goat. Hi. Hello. You need my camera?
What's your phone?
Where are the chickens? Little baby chickens.
Best marine salvage ever. The rain isn't necessarily rain down here. It's more of a wall of water that gets unleashed. It's pretty impressive. See these little guys? These termites? They are right here at the back, and they have invaded our truck. Every time we're in the truck, they're all over the dash, they're on our legs, and it's just World War III every time. They're all over the back. And this is what 300 feet of 5/16 galvanized G4 chain looks like in the back of the truck. Time to flake it out, measure it out, mark it out,
Flaky Ronya time.
and then get it into the front chain anchor locker. Let's do it. So every 50 feet we have a different color, and every 25 feet we'll have one of these suckers put down. And we'll let you know in about a year if we have any colors left, or if they're all in the bottom of the ocean. Now this is the old chain. It's looking pretty rough. Making a mess of the deck.
This might be a non-successful venture here. Do we have
WD
penetrating oil?
Yeah, we've got some WD. I don't know anything else.
Well, let's try that because this is going to be it's going to be near to impossible.
Okay. Check out that sunset. Hopefully it comes through. As beautiful as it is.
Hi.
So there you go, another 10 days of our glorious boat life. So fancy. I'll leave you with this curious road legal vehicle that we came across. Florida has some really unique cars. Anywho, that's it for this week. Next week, CJ leaves me to go back to Calgary and I'm flying solo. Thanks for watching.